Hi guys, Google Veo 3 has a new strong competitor, Wan 2.5 from Alibaba. The new model can generate sound and audio as Veo 3, which really impress everyone in AI video generation. In this video, I will show you how to use it for free and compare it with Veo 3. Let's jump in. To access Wan 2.5 through the official link, I will also put it in the description. Click on Generate, and here we can select the Wan 2.5 model. It supports text to video and image to video, up to 1080p resolution and 10 seconds duration. Don't forget to turn on the sound effects button. I am using this image as an example. Just upload it and enter the prompt, such as the woman speaks in front of the camera. She says, "I can speak now." Then click on Submit. You can use it for free. The problem is that it might take a long time to wait, or you can use credit to generate. It will take around 2 minutes for one video. And there we have the video.
I can speak now.
As you can see that the audio and the video quality is amazing. I also use the same prompt and image in Veo 3. Next to the comparison between Wan 2.5 and Veo 3.
I can speak now.
I can speak now.
So which one do you like better? In my opinion, they are very close now. Wan 2.5 seems to perform better in some cases. And that's really cool. Alright, that's the share for this video. There are more trending and viral AI contents and tips on my channel. Feel free to subscribe and receive my latest update. Thanks for watching. See you next time.